In today's video, I'll show you how to clean up C drive and free up storage in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So I have prepared a list of things you can do. At first, we need to go ahead and check our storage settings. So just go to your search and search for settings. And from the best matches, just open up settings. Then from here, just go to system and scroll down a bit and you'll find storage. Just click on it. If it asks for any permission, just click on yes. And after that, just let it load. And under storage management, make sure storage sense is turned on for you. And after that, just go to cleanup recommendation. As you can see, over 512 MB of storage available to clean up. Just click on this. And after you have done that, what you have to do is click on see advanced options. And after you have done that, you can select everything from here and just click on remove files. This will clear the storage for you. Just click on continue. And then just give it some time. It will delete everything that is unnecessary for you and free up space for you. Then just close this. And let's go ahead and see the next step, which is this cleanup. To do this, just go to your search again and search for clean up. From the best matches, you'll get this cleanup. Just open this up. Then from here, just select your C drive and click on OK. Then it's gonna scan a bit. And then from here, just click on cleanup system files. And after that, just select your C drive again and click on OK. It's gonna scan a little bit more for unnecessary files to clean up and Windows Update files to clean up. And from here, you can simply select everything from here that is unnecessary to you. Just select every single thing from here and click on OK. Click on delete files. This is gonna delete everything that is on your system that is not useful for you. Just give it some time. And while it is doing that, we can just go to our third step, which is clear our recycle bin. To do this, just go to your search and search for recycle. And you'll find recycle bin, just open it. And from here, just select everything using Control A and you can right click on it. Or you can just click on empty recycle bin from here and click on yes. This is gonna permanently delete everything from your recycle bin. As you can see, there was 4.5 GBs of stuff for me, and it's gonna remove all of them one by one. I can minimize this and it will be going on in the background. And for the next step, I have installed unnecessary apps. For this, I need to go inside settings again. I'll just go to search and type in settings, then just go inside settings. From here, I'll just go inside apps. From apps, I'll go inside installed apps. And from here, I'll get a list of installed apps that I have previously installed on my system. Now, if there are apps that I don't really use, those are unnecessary for me, I can just go ahead and install them. This will clean up a lot of space in my C drive as well. I can filter it by C drive, and then it will just show the apps that are on my C drive. And then I can just install them one by one that I don't need. Then I can just close this. And for the last step, it says remove extra accounts. So if I just go to settings again, if I type settings or just go inside settings, I'll find an option called accounts over here. As you can see, I have only one account. But if you have multiple accounts, you can remove those and it will clear the space for you as well. And basically that is it. My disk cleanup is still going on. I'll allow it to run in the background. But that's basically it. And that is how you can clean your C drive and free up space on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.